Students, once again I with you students, and students, today we are going to discuss class 10 politics, and it is the lesson 6. Name of this lesson is the political parties. So students, under this lesson we will discuss so many points. This point first are function of the political parties. That means it is the main object which we will discuss in this video. That is the important function. All of every function in sequence what has been important are political parties. In last video already we have discussed about political parties. And students, what to be step by step? First we will discuss about contest election. Second, form and run governments. Third, policies and programs. Fourth, making the law. Next, role of opposition. After that, shape public opinion. And in last point, students, we will discuss access the government machineries and welfare scheme. So students, first which we are going to discuss about function of the political parties, contest election. So students, in this video mostly we will discuss complete function of political parties. If any political parties has been established, has been created, has been registered by the election commission, what do we do? What he will do after registration of his as a political party. So student, all political party first try to participate in the election. They participate election by their candidate. They try to decide their representative, their candidate in different places as a MP, MLA and other related elections. It is the main and first work of political party, contesting the election. If they will not contest the election, what is the use, what is the important to making the party? If they will contest the election, they can make the governments also. And if they will make the government, their ministry, their PM, CM and authority also to be their self under that party, they will take the action. They will try what is important in here. So students, main thing is the first, taking election, participating in second, form and run governments. All party, if will take election, after taking election, if they will win, they create their governments. All representative will choose their government as a PM or as a CM, as a concerning authority. It is the second main work and object of the political party. If they will create their government, they will form their government. After creating, they will try to run as a smoothly. Public should be happy by this party, by that government. It all party to be decide. We should be try to take such as action that public should be happy. This is the main object of the political party. First they will take election, participate in election. After participating, they will win. If they will win, form the governments. After that, what they will do after creating the governments? Policies and programs. So students, party will try to make different type of policy and program which to be in welfare of the public, welfare of the citizens, welfare of the territorial area, concerning area, in which place, in which areas their leaders has been made to try to take some policy. If they has been given the vote to me, what I will do, that they will help me. After that, next he sure will give vote to me. That it is the means of their self. Main thing is the means of their self. Political party not try to making all policies only for the people. Political parties all policies try to make which people who will give support of their party, their candidates. This is the matter of originality, students. But What is the means of national party? If any party say we are nationalist, we like to do, our nation should be improved. He should be, every person should be equal. All every right should be parallel, equal or all of every person. So students, next, making the law. If party take election, has been win, after winning, try to make a policy, concerning policy, they try to create different types of law which has been made under the Lok Sabha and Rajya Sabha. It should be as also in the welfare of the pupils. If people will feel this like the very best which has been made by this party, they will support continuously to other time also that party. This is the matter of making the law. And law is the also main thing. All party sure will try to make concerning law under the parliament. Vidhan Sabha also concerning the situation, which types of position is present time. If you will discuss about nowadays in position of our country, it's a very famous position has been which regarding to the all over the world, very famous disease. I don't want to take name of that disease, you know, I think students. So all persons has been faced with this problem, and central government, state governments, both are trying to make different type of rule and regulation as a treatment concerning this disease. That is I don't know, you should be know which type of decision is famous nowadays. So students, other point, role of the opposition. Now here we should understand, if any party contest the election, other party which has been not win the election, what they will do? In our democratic system, in our constitution has been given such a systematic way that which party has not been, they will sit in the opposition. And opposition party, they will take some view against of the governments. They will take some view favor of the peoples. They will try different type of demonstration. They will do different type of against function, programs on the road, on the any place, public place. They will try to say this law is the not legal, this law is the not just which this government has been made. So this party is called as against, who will say, who will take every action as against of the opposition party. So students, this is the matter of against party. In our democratic system, not only one party can contest the election, it is the not country, after that it is no country. So all political party have a right to contest the election if he has been registered under the election commission, under rule and regulation. So one party win the election, other party cannot win, they will be sit in the opposition, they will take against action of in favorite party. So save public opinion. Save public opinion, this is the work of the party which has been created, which has been made, who has been making their governments. They try to make, they try to take different type of opinion, what public demand, what they want, what citizens has been important, in which place. So students, it is the best way to creating next year governments. If any party cannot understand what is the importance of public, what is the new age opinion of this place, what is requirement of this religion, who is the best candidate for this area, it should be understand all of every party. Which party can understand opinion, and if they will run by the view of the pupils, they sure will win in next to next answer. So students, last point which we are going to discuss, that is access the government machineries and welfare. Government machineries. So students, government machineries, all of every institution which has been present under the government, that is called as the government machineries. For example, you can say CID, CBI, police, judiciary. Students, this is the not government machinery. This is the parallel working with governments. You can say as a form of government. So, government try to use these their mechanisms, their machineries in welfare of the public. For example, if public have any dispute, it's the system of government has been appointed some police. They will take to concerning area which types of action has been important to that area. They will do it. This is the matter of what is the work of CID, what is the work of CBI. If any major dispute, major murder case has been related in the place, state governments try to say here should be investigation of the CBI. So students, CBI investigation to be sure. So many machineries has been present under the government. They try to use in favor of the public, in favor of the party, to improve the governments, to run the governments, improve our nation. So students, this was the point which we discussed in class 6, chapter 6, class 6 and the lesson 6 political parties. And so many points students today we have discussed. And students, it is the second part of this video. And so next part we will discuss other important very special point students. So thank you very much students.